Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Universal VR headset stand from, I don't know the brand. It says Immerse in Virtual World. Here we have the box. Yeah, here we can see more details. Here is how you can put it together. Looks like it's pretty simple. Yeah, they say easy to assemble, made with high quality material, stylish and futuristic design. So yeah, that should help to keep your virtual reality headset in a clean spot. Yeah, hopefully it works and looks good. So let's take it out of the box. Yeah, looks like we have to open it from here. That's everything what we get. So it's basically 5 pieces and instructions. So let's see how this works. So let's start with this. Maybe we can add a little bit more light. That could help us so you can see everything. So yeah, we put these sides on top. That's obviously the back. Is there a left and right? I guess. Wow. Oh yeah, okay. It's the other way around, obviously. Okay. So that definitely fits. And now that's actually the platform. Just push it down so it does automatically level out, and here the top. So there are no screws needed, nothing. So I put this a little bit higher, hope you can see that. If I put wide angle, so hope you can see everything, how it looks. It's pretty stable. Is it superior quality? Yeah, it's not the cheapest quality, but I wouldn't say superior quality, but it's enough. It's nothing you play around with. So okay, let's try it out. So probably we put that simply on top of that, and yeah, that's it already. So looks pretty cool. So it definitely looks better than just having it flat on your desktop. Let's compare. That looks, yeah, I mean, it's not messy, but it's difficult to clean, uses some space and doesn't look really fancy. If you use this stand, it looks, yeah, somehow special. I didn't expect that. So, and I think it's pretty universal. Yeah, definitely. So actually every virtual reality mask will fit to that, no question. This is how it looks from the side. I mean, yeah, it's not super stable. I mean, yeah, but you don't do anything with that, so that's definitely enough. It won't fall apart. So yeah, it looks really good. So I have to tell, it looks definitely better then just putting it on your desk. So yeah, actually, no doubt, full recommendation. If it's worth the price, you have to figure out on your own. What's important, here you have this soft rubber feet. Is it soft? Yeah, you can push with your nails and it leaves an imprint. So it's definitely soft, and it's so it doesn't scratch your desk. That's good, and it's hard to move it around. So really pretty stable. So I will definitely put down the link to order that on Amazon in the description. If you like it, you can use that to order the one for you. And yeah, that's about it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comment, just write to the comment section below. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.